Standardized tests differ significantly in their question phrasing compared to informal assessments. Standardized tests emphasize formal language. They focus on precise wording. They rely on specific terminology. These characteristics are crucial for accurately assessing an understanding of the subject matter. The primary goal is to eliminate ambiguity, which ensures fair and reliable evaluation. The sample question referencing Mike does a great job with his questions, but I am wondering if the NJ test throws curveballs out there and their wording of questions deviates from standardized testing norms. This type of question employs informal language. It incorporates objective opinions. It lacks content-related specifics. Standardized tests prioritize consistency in their question design. This consistency contributes to the reliability of the assessment. They are developed to gauge students' knowledge and skills objectively. Therefore, tests maintain consistency. They are fair in their question structure. They use unambiguous language to prevent confusion. Subjective opinions are omitted. This avoids bias. Content-related specifics are provided. This ensures relevance. Firstly, standardized tests often employ a formal tone, avoiding colloquialisms or slang. Secondly, the wording is meticulously crafted to convey a single, clear meaning, minimizing the risk of misinterpretation. Thirdly, specific terminology relevant to the subject matter is used accurately and consistently throughout the test. Fourthly, standardized tests adhere to strict guidelines regarding question construction to ensure validity and reliability. Fifthly, questions are reviewed and revised multiple times to eliminate potential sources of bias or ambiguity. Sixthly, standardized tests undergo rigorous statistical analysis to ensure that they accurately measure the intended construct. Seventhly, standardized tests are administered under standardized conditions to minimize extraneous variables that could affect student performance. Eighthly, scoring procedures are clearly defined and consistently applied to ensure objectivity in grading. Ninthly, standardized tests provide detailed reports that summarize student performance and identify areas of strength and weakness. Tenthly, standardized tests are used for a variety of purposes, including accountability, placement, and program evaluation. In contrast, an informal assessment may use casual language. It may express personal preferences. It might not align perfectly with the curriculum's learning objectives. Standardized tests are designed for large-scale administration. They are created to evaluate performance across diverse populations. For example, a question on a standardized science test might ask, what is the process by which plants convert light energy into chemical energy? This is precise. It's formally worded. It uses specific scientific terminology such as light energy and chemical energy. It directly assesses a student's understanding of photosynthesis. In contrast, a non-standardized question might be, do you think plants are cool because they make their own food? This is subjective. It's informal. It doesn't accurately measure understanding of scientific concepts. A standardized math question might state, solve for x in the equation 2x plus 5 equals 11. This question uses formal mathematical language. It requires a specific calculation to arrive at the correct answer. A non-standardized question might ask, is math important for figuring things out in life? This is a broad, opinion-based question that does not assess specific math skills. Standardized reading comprehension passages and questions are carefully selected. They assess skills in a consistent and objective manner. A standardized question might ask, according to the passage, what was the main character's motivation for their actions? This is direct. It requires careful reading and analysis of the text. It tests specific comprehension skills. A non-standardized question might ask, did you like the story? Why or why not? This elicits personal opinions. It does not necessarily measure reading comprehension skills. Standardized tests are designed to minimize subjective bias. They ensure that all students are evaluated fairly. Standardized tests adhere to established testing principles. These principles are designed to promote reliability. Fairness is also promoted. Validity is also promoted. Firstly, reliability refers to the consistency of test scores. A reliable test produces similar results when administered multiple times under similar conditions. Secondly, validity refers to the extent to which a test measures what it is intended to measure. A valid test accurately assesses the knowledge and skills it is designed to evaluate. Thirdly, fairness refers to the absence of bias in test content and administration. A fair test provides all students with an equal opportunity to demonstrate their knowledge and skills. Standardized tests undergo rigorous review processes to identify and eliminate potential sources of bias. These processes ensure that the test is fair to all students regardless of their background or characteristics.